Hey and welcome to another video. Today we are gonna learn how to fold this origami snake. It's designed by me, and the interesting thing about this model is that it's made from different parts of paper which can be attached to each other, so you can vary in the length of the snake. And yeah, let's get right into it. So for this model we're going to need a long sheet of paper, and it doesn't matter which kind of paper or which size of paper, it just has to be longer than 2 by 1. And yeah, those are the only requirements. We're going to start by folding the whole long paper in half. And then fold both sides of the paper to the middle line. So then make a crease which aligns the top part of the paper with one of the both sides, doesn't matter which one, and then repeat the same thing on the other side. Then turn the paper over and fold this corner of the paper to this point. Then fold both corners of the paper to this point right here and unfold. Then make a crease connecting those 2 points. Then turn the paper over and make a crease which aligns the side of the paper to this line here, and repeat the same thing with the other side of the paper. Then make valley folds along these lines at the same time, and you're going to create this top flap. Then put your finger into this top flap, open it and squash it, creating a water bomb base if that helps you out. Then take the first layer of the water bomb base and make a crease which aligns this side of the water bomb base with this line right here. And as always, repeat the same thing on the other side. Then take this flap, open it and squash it, and that line on the bottom should be aligned with the middle line of the whole model. Then undo this whole step and repeat the same thing on the other side. So then your model should look like this. Now redo one of the sides. Put your finger on the top part and squeeze the bottom part. And make a line connecting those 2 points. And make valley folds along this V-shaped line. And flatten the bottom part and make sure everything is symmetric. Then take this top flap and fold it to both sides to mark the edges of it. Then fold all flaps to the other side to make room for the other flap and repeat the same thing here. Then open here a little bit and fold the side to the middle line. And make a mountain fold here and repeat the same thing on the other side. So then make a valley fold continuing this line. And unfold and repeat the same thing here. And repeat the whole thing on the other side. So then make those 2 creases at the same time and squash this flap here. And repeat the same thing on the other side. Fold those both flaps upwards. Now take this top part and fold it in half. It has a lot of layers, so be careful. Then make a mountain fold along the middle line and keep the head flat. So then take the head and pull out those tiny little flaps and just fold them to the side. It's a little bit hard to see here. So then take those flaps and squash them to create the eyes. Then turn over the model, open the whole thing, and mark a crease here. You don't have any exact reference point. And repeat the same thing here. Then open here and squash this part, taking the line we just made it as a reference. And repeat the same thing here and flatten the whole thing. So now just take the teeth of the snake and fold them down a little bit and shape them. And it's going to look like this. Now refold this whole fold along the middle line. Then open here a little bit and make an open sink fold, sinking the top of the head into the whole thing. Creating this triangle and make a mountain fold along the border of this triangle, sinking the top part of the head into the model. This step is not exactly necessary, but it makes the top part of the head look a lot better. So yeah, that's it for part 1 of the tutorial. Write down in the comments below if you made the model till this point. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you guys next time. See you! Bye bye!